Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cumin, an ancient spice with powerful health benefits that you should definitely be using daily. Stick around as we uncover its history, uses, and amazing benefits. Let's get started. Cumin, also known as Cuminum cyminum, is a flowering plant in the parsley family. Whether you use whole seeds or ground powder, this spice brings a warm, earthy flavor that complements a wide variety of dishes. It's a key ingredient in many global cuisines, from Indian curries to Mexican salsas. Did you know that cumin has been used for thousands of years? In ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome, cumin wasn't just for cooking, it was used in medicine, too. In fact, cumin was so valued that it was even found in the tombs of Egyptian pharaohs. There's more than one type of cumin. You've probably seen the regular light brown cumin, but have you heard of black cumin? Though both types offer similar health benefits, black cumin has a more intense, peppery flavor, perfect for Middle Eastern and South Asian dishes. Cumin is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with vitamins like A, C, and E, as well as minerals such as iron, calcium, and magnesium. Just 1 teaspoon of cumin provides 20% of your daily iron needs, great for anyone with iron deficiency. This spice is also rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Cumin isn't just delicious, it's great for your health. From aiding digestion to boosting your immune system and even improving brain health, cumin seeds stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, helping to break down food more effectively and preventing indigestion and bloating. Cumin may also support weight loss by improving digestion and boosting metabolism. Some studies suggest that cumin can help reduce body fat and improve body composition when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. The high concentration of antioxidants, along with vitamins and minerals, makes cumin an immune-boosting spice. The anti-inflammatory properties of cumin also help in fighting infections and reducing inflammation in the body. Cumin has shown promise in regulating blood sugar levels, making it a great addition to the diet of those with type 2 diabetes. It helps improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Cumin contains compounds that may help improve memory and overall cognitive function. The spice's antioxidant properties help protect the brain from oxidative stress, which can lead to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. In Ayurveda, cumin is known for aiding digestion and balancing all 3 doshas. And in traditional Chinese medicine, it's valued for its warming properties, stimulating appetite and improving digestion. Whether you're using cumin in whole seed or ground form, it's easy to incorporate into your meals. Toasting the seeds enhances their flavor, while ground cumin can be added directly to your favorite dishes, like curries, soups, or even roasted vegetables. Cumin isn't just for the kitchen, it's also great for your skin. Its antibacterial and antioxidant properties help treat acne, reduce dark spots, and give your skin a youthful glow. You can even make a DIY cumin face mask using honey and yogurt. While cumin is generally safe, too much of it can cause heartburn or low blood sugar. It's always best to consume cumin in moderation, especially if you're on blood sugar lowering medications. When buying cumin, you can choose between whole seeds or ground powder. For the freshest flavor, store it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. Whole seeds last up to a year, while ground cumin should be used within 6 months. Here are some quick FAQs about cumin. Is cumin safe to eat daily? Yes, but in moderation. Can cumin aid in weight loss? Yes, it boosts metabolism. Can cumin be used for skincare? Yes, as a natural face mask. What is the difference between black cumin and regular cumin? Black cumin is spicier and more intense. Whether you're using cumin to spice up your meals, boost your health, or improve your skincare routine, this powerhouse spice deserves a spot in your pantry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.